Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and we are on week 4 of the Experiencing God verse of the week. Yeah, I gotta say I'm getting kind of mixed reviews. I have gotten some unsubscribes, so be praying for the unsubscribes, y'all. Pray that the Lord finds their hearts. I really hope y'all are enjoying this. I really enjoy this challenge of trying to learn the verse in the week and seeing who's going to do it and who's just, even if you don't try to learn it and you're just enjoying that's my face, baby girl. Just enjoying the reading of it, that's okay too. Here is the Experiencing God book. Ooh, it's got the shiny on it. And let's go to the 4th unit. This book is available on Amazon, by the way. I have been putting the information down below in the description box if you are interested in trying this study. I do recommend it. I recommend it with a group. Very, I want to say enlightening, but that's not the right word. It just helps. It just helps. So the verse today is John 14:21. The one who has my commands and keeps them is the one who loves me, and the one who loves me will be loved by my Father. I also will love him and will reveal myself to him. John 14:21. So I know that they seem long, but you can learn them. You can memorize them. I personally feel like I memorize things better if I write it down multiple times. If I say it out loud multiple times, it helps me to learn them. So if you're wondering how to put them to memory, that's a good way of doing it. I like going, to Walmart or somewhere and getting those little journal books, and that way I can write them in there, or even those little spiral books if I want to write it over and over again. And then I can just go through and read the important verses, the verses that have stood out to me while I'm doing my Bible study, and go back and, see if they mean something else the next time I read them, because it is amazing to me how one time they can mean something, another time they can touch you in another way, I hope that makes sense. Anyway, so week 4, I hope you enjoyed it. Y'all have a wonderful Monday, and God bless.